everyone. Today we're gonna learn how to make a Virgin Mojito. So it's very popular mocktail, obviously without alcohol. So let's do it. Yeah. So what we need for Virgin Mojito is lemon and then sugar, and there's one more thing which is missing here. So I'm gonna show you. So if you come here, we actually need mint leaves. So I'm gonna pluck mint leaves here. The reason I wanted to show you because it's very easy to grow mint at your home, and if you want to know how to grow mint at your home, just put a comment in the video, and I'm gonna show you how to grow mint at home. It's very easy, guys. Okay. And obviously we need soda water and a muddler. If you don't have muddler, guys, don't worry about it. It's you can just use it some kind of like a spoon or some hard surface to just muddle it. So I'll show you very quickly. So we'll take a glass and we'll take some more lime, because I want to have some more lime here, because it will have that punchiness in the mojito, and we need around 8 or 9 mint leaves, maybe more, a little bit more, because it's Virgin Mojito. And we need sugar as well, but we'll put sugar a little bit later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna muddle it like this, so that all the oils will come out from the mint leaves. And obviously I'm using a little bit more lime, so it will have that flavor. So like this, not too much, just a little bit more, and I think we are done. So I'll take around 4 teaspoons of sugar, maybe 5, and we'll place the ice. We'll put the ice, a glass of ice. Put the soda water. And give it a good stir, so that all the it's quite a popular drink, and like you have seen, it's very easy to make it at your home. And you just mix it a little bit more, and that's it. I think your Virgin Mojito is ready, and I'm gonna test it actually. Amazing. Very nice. Thank you, guys.